to my channel, and then in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a TNT cannon in Minecraft Education Edition. So again it's going to be a coding session. Let me open the code builder. So cannon. So here is the cannon code. It is a bit long code. I'll explain what happened. Okay. So on chat command canon builder teleport to -1 -10. You need to give this coordinate. After that builder face south positive Z. Builder place mark block. After that he needs to move forward by 8. He needs to move left 2 steps. He needs to move back 8 steps so that he'll make a rectangle kind of place. After that trace path from mark with, so he'll build with stone blocks. He'll move right 1 step. After that he'll again place mark. He'll place and to get this block by name you need to go to blocks. So in blocks it is over here, block by name. There you can give stone slab. I've given stone slab, it's your wish. Stone underscore slab. There should be no space. After that, builder should move up by 1. He needs to place TNT after moving up. After that, builder move right by 1. He'll come right. After that, he needs to again place mark. Needs to move forward by 2. He'll move little forward after moving right. So after that, again he'll start placing stone blocks. After placing stone blocks, he'll again place mark, move forward 6 steps, move left 2 steps, move back 7 steps. He'll again like do the rectangle kind of place. After that, he'll put the redstone and complete the circuit. After that, builder move forward -1 up, 1 left -2. So you need to get this block from advanced, this builder. All of these blocks are from builder. So after that he'll place mark. He'll move forward by 1. He'll again place redstone from where he moved. After placing redstone he'll move forward 4 steps, move up -1 step. That means he'll move down. Left 0. He'll stay there only. He won't move left. Builder place mark, he'll place mark again. Builder move forward by 2, he'll move forward 2 steps. After that, builder trace mark from mark with repeater facing west -x delay 4. That block also you'll get it from blocks. It is over here. Repeater facing west -x delay. You need to give 4 there. After that, builder move forward 1, up 0, left 1. So he'll move forward, after that left. That's it. After that, he'll place lever on block pointing south so that it is switched off. That is also in here only, lever on block bottom pointing west. Instead of that, you need to place lever on block top pointing south. So you need to place only this block. You can't just go to blocks and choose this and choose liver. You can't do it like that. You should do it in this way. Next, builder move back by 1. He'll come back. He'll place one more stone block after moving back. He'll move down by 1. He'll move down. After that, start putting water in 4 blocks. After that, he'll place mark. He'll move back by 2. He'll put extra 1 TNT. That's it. There's a long code. I've done a fast run through it. So hope you understood. I'll start it. Canon, enter. Okay, I think you're not able to see the cannon here. I'll move a little forward to empty space. Empty space, empty space. I should have chosen a flat land. It's over there. We can. Oh, it's so sudden. Okay, here the TNT's redstone connected. So if I click the lever, it's going to blast. That's it. So it'll only work once. I'll just put more TNT. Oh, too much of explosion. Thank you for watching my channel, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you.